What's up, YouTube? In today's video, hopefully 5 minutes or less, I'm going to talk about Amazon. Amazon and why I think we could see a breakout soon, and why I'm bullish, why I hope to take advantage of this breakout, why I am in Amazon, even though we had a red day today. Now, I did buy the dip today, right here at the bottom of the zone. It went a little red. We're still in it, did recover. Now, this one I was in and actually rode down to the bottom and right back up to top. I was really watching this zone here, but my play on this, I definitely gave it some time. Just took a position in there, a position that I want to hold till the hopefully the end of the year. But should we get a crazy spike, something big enough, I'll go ahead and lock it in and re-enter, much like I always do. Now, this morning there's a video coming out. Today is Friday. You'll probably see it Monday. I actually set this alert. I had planned on buying it, but we saw the dip down, so I grabbed it here. So hopefully the edit crew can get it done real quick. Told you guys about Apple. Apple selling off. Got a lot of views, a lot of comments. Some of you guys told me good luck shorting Apple, regardless of me telling you I was bullish 13 times in 6 minutes. That's an average of every 30 seconds I told you I was bullish, but the red candle showed up. Anyway, I set all those alerts in the morning. I bought Apple at this alert right there. I think at this time I was at a golf course, and what I did, I set the alerts, hit record, and talked about why I just entered and why I exited. Amazon was a part of that. Now, today was kind of a zone play, but why I did not. Now, typically I would have bought in here at the type 2, type 1, type 2, type 3. I have a video called Perfect Entry Points going over how I trade these little yellow boxes. And I use those wicks to manage stops. Now, traditionally, I would have actually stopped out, and maybe I would have gotten back in. Normally, my stop would have been right about here. Once I saw it was a wick, I might have got back in on any other day. But I'm just pretty bullish. Amazon, you can't give me a bearish reason for Amazon. There's just nothing out there. We have like the news of the monopoly news, the getting involved in politics. That could pop up, but other than that, Amazon's just a freight train. And when we look at this big picture, the reason these two are brighter yellow is because we've kind of gone horizontal. We went up, yeah, we tagged that zone, we came right back down. Just an instant rejection. Chop that off, and we have a very horizontal play. Kind of getting out of it just a little bit, kind of a little bit here, ultimately holding here and holding here. Now, we still sold here, and we hit that this morning and sold off. So what I'm thinking about is this pattern right here, and these higher lows we're seeing. Now this, I'm kind of thinking this might be the start of the higher lows. We have kind of, here's our last one right here. And then I'm thinking this one right here. This is something I went over with the mentor group last night. I think that might be our higher low. This one might be a little early. I wouldn't bother me at all to see another higher low somewhere right here at this zone where we actually do break this speed bump zone. Maybe it is red Monday. We do sell off. Just in time for turnaround Tuesday. We come back and we bounce right here and see if we test this spot again up here and if it actually holds. I'm looking to take advantage of the breakout up. Now, the positions I have in Amazon right now are actually calls. On the option side, I have a 3,300 strike and a 3,600 strike for November 20th. So they have plenty of time. While they're red, doesn't make sense to sell, so I have it. So I wanted to make a quick video talking about just this, and what do you guys think? Are you guys taking advantage of the bigger picture? Are you guys remembering to even look at the bigger picture? Is that something you're even worried about? Or are we jumping down here on these smaller time frames? Hourly, that might be a bear flag. Let's see. Ultimately, if this breaks, this purple zone breaks here, I bet we do kind of hop down right into here. I don't have too many yellow boxes here, but that's where ultimately I'll be looking to add on again. In the meantime, I bet that position just stays red. If it's a consistent downtrending day, I might lock some of it in and get back in, or I might just buy a put, sell a call against it, take advantage of the downswing. I don't like money just sitting there going red. I'm in the business to make money, not to lose it or watch it go red in the mind of bag holding. But my initial plan, this does have some time on it. I have time for this to dance around. Definitely cutting it full stop if this yellow zone down here breaks. The Qs, they pulled back today, just like I said in the 5-minute video about Apple. I think we're going to see a pullback. That was it. So on many things, I bought the dip. So I don't think the stimulus news came to an agreement. I think that's why we saw the sell-off. So we'll see what happens over the weekend, and ultimately we'll see how right I am Monday. But if this pushes up, I'm going to add on above here. I'm going to add on right here. I will cut here. So I'm in the position, manageable, right? If it goes down, I'm not worried. I'm adding on here. Here's my two add-on spots, this zone and this zone for the breakout. Anything below here, I'm just watching. I'm not going to add on. I'm just going to watch, ultimately cut it down here. Given the circumstance, if we do tag this zone, don't break it. Just a quick little touch the top. Like, the zone does still make sense for a horizontal pattern. We'll need to see what happens and why we got to this zone if I were to add on right here at this. I don't want that. What I'm saying is I don't want it to get there again. That kind of takes away from what I'm seeing. I'm looking at higher lows. Look at the resistance. If you've been following me for a while, I call this a hammer on glass, right? Or an ascending triangle is what some of you guys probably heard it. But you have your flat plane, you have your higher lows, like a hammer just beating on glass. Eventually, in my experience, more often than not, it's the flat line that breaks, coming from the top or coming from the bottom. So I'm looking to take advantage of that breakout. I'm getting in a little bit early in case this is the higher low here, and we see that, and we actually do break out a little bit early. But that's my play. Want to make a quick video for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you in Amazon? What do you think about it overall? And how are you playing this? And I'll see you in the next video.